Late last year, ZTE launched the Nubia Z70 Ultra, its Snapdragon 8 Elite-powered camera phone. Now the company has cooked up an S upgrade with a larger image sensor in the 35mm main camera and a larger battery. Also new today is the Nubia Tablet Pro, a flagship tablet with no 3D gimmicks. Nubia Z70S Ultra. The Nubia Z70S Ultra arrives with a 50MP 1/1.3-inch OmniVision Light Fusion 900 sensor, sometimes translated as Light Hunter. The original Z70 Ultra had a smaller 1/1.56-inch sensor, Sony IMX906. The new camera changes to a fixed f/1.735mm lens, instead of the variable lens of the previous model, f/1.6, f/4.0. Check out our review for a look at how the old camera did. The 70mm telephoto camera has a 64MP 1/2 sensor with an OIS-enabled f/2.48 lens. The third camera, a 122° 50MP ultra-wide module, has a 13mm f/2.0 lens with autofocus that allows it to take macro shots from just 2.5 cm per 1 inch. If the camera-inspired design of the phone didn't convince you, maybe the dedicated shutter key will. You can quickly launch the camera from a locked phone by long pressing the shutter key. Then you don't even have to move your finger to take photos. The other improvement on the Nubia Z70S Ultra is the 6,600 mAh battery, up from 6,150 mAh on the original. The phone still supports 80W wired-only charging. Impressively, the dimensions of the phone remain the same, 164.3 by 77.1 by 8.6 mm and 228G. The other details are the same, a roomy 6.85-inch OLED display that is unblemished, thanks to the under-display selfie camera. It runs at 144 Hz and has 216x2, 688px resolution. It's a 10-bit BOEQ9 Plus panel with 100% DCI, P3 coverage and 2592 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming. One relatively small change this generation is the protection, Gorilla Glass 7i, replacing the second-gen Longxi glass of the original. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite with up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB UFS 4.0 storage, though there is a special edition with 24GB RAM too. The rear glass uses nanotexturing to create a calfskin pattern. The phone is rated IP68, submersion to 1.5 m for 30 minutes, and IP69, water up to 90 degrees. The Nubia Z70S Ultra is available on ztemall.com in twilight and melting gold colors. The latter is available only in 256GB and 512GB. The base 12/256GB model starts at 4,600 Chinese yuan, $630/Euro 555/Indian rupee 500. The prices of the other memory options are below.